Towering above. Understanding, tower over something. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or even daily conversations. It's the phrase, tower over something. This video aims to unpack its meaning, use, and how you can incorporate it into your own English speaking and writing. So, let's get started and explore this towering expression together. The phrase, tower over something, is a vivid expression used to describe a situation where someone or something is much taller or larger than the people or things around it. But it's not just about physical height or size. It can also be used metaphorically. When used in a non-literal sense, it means to be far superior or more dominant in some quality or aspect. Literal use. In its most straightforward sense, tower over is used to describe physical stature. For example, the ancient oak tree towered over the small cottage, providing shade and shelter. Here, it's clear that the oak tree is significantly taller than the cottage. Figurative use. Metaphorically, tower over takes on a broader significance. It might refer to someone's superior skills, achievements, or qualities. For instance, in the world of chess, Magnus Carlsen towers over most competitors, thanks to his exceptional skills and strategic thinking. This suggests Carlsen's dominance in chess, not his physical height. To fully grasp the usage of tower over something, let's look at a few examples. 1. Literal. The skyscraper towers over the surrounding buildings, making them look miniature in comparison. 2. Figurative. With her extensive experience and innovative ideas, she towers over her colleagues in project management. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, fitting seamlessly into both literal and metaphorical contexts. When you want to use tower over something in conversation or writing, remember these tips. Context is key. Ensure the context makes clear whether you're using the phrase literally or metaphorically. Emphasize difference. The phrase implies a significant difference in height, size, or quality, so use it when this contrast is notable. Be descriptive. It's a vivid phrase that can add color to your language, so feel free to use it in creative and descriptive ways. Tower over something is a powerful expression that can add depth and vividness to your English communication, whether you're describing physical scenarios or metaphorical dominance. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning and uses for you, and you feel confident incorporating it into your language repertoire. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English with such expressive phrases.